welcome to today's video. My name's Amy if you're new here, and today we have a tiny come thrift with me and then a thrift haul. So this is a combination of charity shops and a vintage store, but I'll kind of chat that through when we get to the haul portion. As always, there will be try on clips of all the clothes, and I'll try and give you as much information as I can on all of the pieces. But if you'd like to see what I picked up, then just keep watching. But to start off, I'm just going to play some of the little bits of footage I got. The shops were kind of busy, so I didn't get too much footage, but I'm going to play the stuff that I got now. So that was kind of a little bit of footage. To be honest, a lot of the things in the clips I didn't actually purchase because they weren't the right size, but I just wanted to show you guys. I thought they were kind of cute, and other bits just in general. But I'm going to start off in kind of no particular order. I'm just going to grab it out of the bag and tell you all about them. So the first thing I picked up is this Disney hoodie. So I didn't actually check, and originally it's from Primark, which I kind of try to avoid. But it's in the size 18 to 20. It's a Disney jumper from Primark, and this was $4.99, and it's just this Winnie the Pooh yellow jumper. There is a couple of marks. I do need to chuck this through the wash, but I thought this was super cute. I really like yellow. If you've been around here for a while, you know yellow is kind of my colour that I kind of gravitate towards. And there's something really cute about this. I'm potentially going to Disney in December, so I know it's going to be super cold, so I'm looking for kind of warmer Disney pieces to pack for that holiday, and I thought this was super cute. To be honest, Winnie the Pooh is not a character I normally watch, so I definitely need to squat up on kind of my Winnie the Pooh knowledge before we go, but I have played the PS2 games. Does anyone play Piglet's Big Game? Because that is one of my favourite PlayStation games of all time, and obviously that is a Winnie the Pooh game, so I'm definitely happy with this. I think this is some leggings. It might even be just a cute travel outfit. And then also might be a good one to kind of chuck on in the evenings when it's getting a little bit chilly. But yeah, I thought this was super cute. And I mean, who doesn't like a cute Winnie the Pooh jumper? Here's the Disney jumper. I actually really love the fit of this. Being it in an 18 to 20, that's kind of the size up from what I'd normally go for, which means we've just got a little bit more room, and it's super cozy, really soft. And yeah, super happy with this. It's definitely going to be kind of a travel to Disney, maybe even like a little Disney outfit. I've definitely got some ears that I can make that will match to this. But yeah, I think this is super cute, nice and cozy. I'm thinking as well, my favourite thing, and the thing I'm kind of planning, when I'm looking at Disney outfits online, I really like something that's very Disney. And I find if you go in autumn, winter, it's a bit tricky because you've got to wear jackets and stuff. But I find if you wear an oversized hoodie like this, you can get away with like a little kind of turtleneck jumper underneath, even just like a long sleeve top underneath, and that can be enough to kind of keep you warm without having to wear a jacket that kind of covers up the Disney. So yeah, really happy with this. Definitely going to be maybe a travel outfit to Disney, I'm thinking. I'll add it to my Pinterest board. Yeah, who doesn't love a bit of Winnie the Pooh? So the next thing I picked up is for my friend Katie, but I would have given her this by the time this goes up, and also I don't think she watches my hauls, so we're all good. So this was again from a charity shop. That was from British Art Foundation, I think I forgot to mention. This one is from Shelter. It was £6.50, and it's in a size small, but it is a men's small, and it's just this gorgeous kind of navy with like Pride rainbow colour fleece. And she is going on her year abroad to France and Spain, and when she's going there, it's going to be quite chilly. It's going to be December, so I thought this would be a good one she can throw on before a lecture, or if she's just going out and going to the Christmas markets. I just thought this is a good kind of cozy piece you can study in. And yeah, I liked the Pride rainbow. She is part of the LGBT community, so anything with rainbow on automatically makes me think of Katie, and I know she will love this. And yeah, I thought a fleece is super practical. I don't actually own a fleece, but I see so many people rock them. I do think it's something I need to get into. I don't know if she does rock a fleece, but I thought this was super cute and I couldn't pass it up. This will probably be a little bit oversized on her, and I think that's how you want a fleece because she can be nice and cozy. So I'm not going to try this one on as it is for her, but I thought this was super cute. And for £6, I thought this is a cute little gift as a little going away present, and hopefully it will keep her warm in France. So the next thing I picked up was actually from a vintage store. So it's called a Stay in Your Lane Vintage, and it's actually on the lanes in Brighton. So this was £18, and it's in a size large, and I believe this is a men's large. So it's just this t-shirt. So as you can tell, I'm just leaving you in suspense, I love this Harley Davidson tee. I got this in the Latham Street sale, which is a vintage store in Leigh-on-Sea. And I love kind of this racer kind of vibe look, and I thought this was a super cute alternative to a short sleeve. So just this long sleeve t-shirt with this super cool print on it. I actually have no idea what sport this is meant to be. I think it might even be baseball, and I just thought this kind of graphic on this tee would look great with some jeans in the winter, maybe even a leather jacket thrown over the top, and I thought this would be a nice piece to kind of keep me warm. And I don't actually think I own any long sleeve like t-shirts rather than like long sleeve jumpers, so I thought this would be a good one to kind of transition from kind of autumn to winter, and I just thought this was super fun, and I liked the graphic. I love kind of any of these sort of colours as well. I think sort of the warmer tones really suit me, and I just really liked it and thought this is fun, to be fair, with this exact outfit with jeans, some fun sunnies, a nice belt. I just thought this would be super cute, and I was very happy to pick this one up. Here is the kind of t-shirt long sleeve top. I really love this. I think it's super cute, and to be honest, it's kind of getting out my comfort zone of my t-shirts and adding something a little bit different. I love an oversized t-shirt. I love t-shirts with jeans. I think it's such an easy way to kind of edge up an outfit, especially with a graphic tee like this. These sort of colours, this shape is actually so flattering, and I really enjoy it. This is major like Hayley's Corner. If you follow her on YouTube / Instagram, this is giving me like such her vibes, and she loves a Harley Davidson t-shirt. I definitely think this looks super kind of giving off that vibe. I like the sportiness of it. I think with some really fun, you know, kind of edgy accessories, this can be a really cute outfit, and I'm really loving this top. It's also super comfortable. I find with long sleeves, the reason I probably avoid them is because they're normally quite tight and restrictive. I've actually got loads of room in this, kind of move around, and yeah, I love it a lot. Also from that same vintage shop, so Stay in Your Lane in Brighton, I picked up this t-shirt. It's £13, and again, I want to embarrass myself with my little knowledge of what this actually is. If you know, let me know in the comments. But it's basically this gorgeous kind of yellow mustardy t-shirt with this kind of, I don't know, claret kind of detailing on it. And this is actually a sports t-shirt. I'm not sure what sport. It said the Cleveland Cavaliers, so people are saying that maybe, I don't know, American football, basketball, I don't know. But I thought it was cute. Let's see if it's on the label actually. Let's see if we can learn any more about this. No, I think it's definitely something I'm gonna have to Google, because it's embarrassing if I wear a t-shirt and know nothing about it. But anyway, I'm thinking this with some cycling shorts, with jeans, even potentially as a dress with some cycling shorts underneath. I thought this would be a cute piece. I love the colour. As I said, I'm very drawn to yellow, and I like this kind of more autumnal colours on this. I think it would be a nice transitional piece into autumn. I'm thinking with a cute jacket, some nice jeans, some cycling shorts. I feel like you can style this up in so many different ways. And I find kind of the sporty print on these sort of tops adds a nice little edge. This was £13, I don't know if I said that. But I thought this was super fun, and I liked the print on it. And I just thought this was cool. I thought I could rock this. There's so many lovely vintage shops. If you're looking to kind of shop vintage and not necessarily going to London, Brighton's definitely got quite a few vintage shops. It's also got quite a lot of, because they had a lot of that sort of vintage, which is like sporty t-shirts, which is kind of vintage I quite like. And they also had vintage like lovely dresses and jeans and things like that, so lots of different options depending on what sort of vintage you like. So here is the t-shirt. I've literally just popped it on with the same jeans I was wearing, and I think kind of baggy jeans and a baggy top is something I never normally do, and to be honest, it's sort of outfit I put together and love, and then wouldn't walk out the house with it. There's something about kind of cropping a t-shirt or tucking it in that I feel more comfortable with, and then I'm wearing it with cycling shorts. But anyway, I've styled it with these jeans. These are also vintage. These are some high Davidson jeans I got from Lafton Street in the LT for £2.50. But anyway, I love this top. I love the oversizedness of it. This is actually how I prefer my t-shirts. I like them nice and oversized. I like a lot of room. I feel super comfortable in this if I'm feeling bloated, and I just think this is such a lovely kind of throw on t-shirt, but with the right accessories, you can make this look super fun and edgy. I think I need to get a pair of like black Jordans or some different kind of, I only got white ones, and I feel like they'd clash a little bit. But I think with some funky trainers, with some nice jeans, cycling shorts, even just leggings, I think you can really pull this outfit together. If I was a hat person, I'd definitely whack on a hat. And for £13, for a vintagey t-shirt like this, like a sporty vintage t-shirt, it's actually really good. Definitely check out that Stay in Your Lane. They definitely had some more expensive pieces in there, like jackets, jumpers, things like that, which were more like 70, 80, 90 pounds. So they equally had a lot of t-shirts of like under £15. So definitely check them out if you're looking for some fun vintage graphic t-shirts or sporty t-shirts. And also if you're into basketball, American football, that's something, there's loads of jerseys in there. So definitely check it out. I really like it, and I think this top is super fun. Then finally, from a little and antique store, which I'm not gonna lie, I can't remember the name. I'll try and find it and leave it up on screen. But it was in Rottingdean, and it was, yeah, this little vintage shop. And I just thought this was so cute. So this is a hair slide, and it was £7. And I just thought this could really dress up your hair. I know that sounds super silly, but I just think if I have my hair in a ponytail, I think this would look super cute, kind of on top of the ponytail, kind of with the bits, jewels coming down. And I loved the colours on this. I thought the pinks, the purples, sort of the more fuchsia tones, I just thought this would be so cute in my hair with quite a plain outfit. I think this will dress it up really nicely. And I don't know, there was something about this that drew me to it. I'm really loving accessories at the moment. That's definitely how I'm finding I'm expressing myself a lot more, is kind of plainer outfits with fun accessories. And I just thought this was super cute and would definitely play into that. And I think this would be a nice one to kind of dress up an outfit as well if things are looking quite casual and I want to just spruce it up a little bit. I definitely think this will help. So I picked up that, and I'm super happy I picked that one up. So that's everything I got from the charity shops and vintage stores in Brighton. If you did like today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment what your favourite piece was down below, and subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!